Hello, educators. I'm here today to show you how to create a rubric for technology and literacy, your EDU 545 class. The first thing you want to do is go to your dashboard. Check to see that EDU 545 technology and literacy rubric, the assignment is there. If it is not there, please contact your professor because that means that you are probably not enrolled in the class. It is a simple fix, so just make sure to email your professor if you're not seeing anything from EDU 545 in your assignments. The next thing you want to do is go to LiveText. Here you're going to see that there is an option to make a new document. You're going to press the new key, the new button. When you click on it, you will get to this point where it shows you that there are many different templates. You will see that there is not directly an EDU 545 template. So what you need to do is click on the EDU template, and that is where you will find EDU 545. Once you click here, you're going to notice this template does pop up. It explains the outline of the template. You're going to click the Create Document button. Decide what you want to call your template. I just kept it as EDU 545, Technology and Literacy, but feel free to change it if you like. From here, you click the OK button. Once we are in the rubric, it makes it super easy to go through and submit every assignment you need for your LiveText assignment for EDU 545. So in here, you can see each section and what you need. To edit the section, you're just going to click on this Edit button. Within the section, it looks very similar to our discussion boards on Moodle. When you need to upload a YouTube video, you can directly embed it by clicking on this YouTube button and putting in the link to that YouTube video. It'll pop up as an embedded video rather than just a hyperlink. For assignments that you need a hyperlink, you're going to click on this hyperlink button. Put in your link and it'll add in a hyperlink to your section. If you need to upload a document or any types of attachments, you're going to go down to the File Attachments, click on this Edit button. When you upload an assignment to any of your rubrics, it will show here once you have officially uploaded it. When you upload it, it does not attach to your section unless you click on this Add button. So make sure you upload and then directly add the document to the section. Once you have done this, make sure to click the Save and Finish if you are completely finished, or you can click the Save Changes button. Either way, make sure you do this before you click back to your section editor. I like to save changes and then come back to the section editor to make sure I haven't missed anything needed for that section. Once I have done this, I will click Save and Finish, and it will save directly to your rubric. If you have forgotten anything for that section, do not worry because you can save and edit as many times as you need. Once you have officially saved, just make sure that this section does change and you're seeing what you have edited. So you should see the hyperlink or any attached documents that you have put into your rubric. If you're not seeing that, something funny happened when you were saving. As you go through, each section will have you attach a document or link something you have learned and created for this class. So you have your storytelling project that you will link. Your response from week 1 could be a Word document or a Google Doc. Just make sure if you are utilizing Google Docs that you are giving appropriate permissions for professors to see that work. You're also going to post Padlet or Symbaloo, so that'll be another link, and then your mini lesson here. If you are a special education teacher, do not forget to attach your assistive technology assignment. For that assignment, since there is not a specific section that lists it, I figured the skills to foster all student learning makes the most sense for your special education assignment, so I attached mine here. Once you have finished everything and saved through and made sure you had all of your assignments necessary for each section, you're going to go back to your dashboard. Do not use this share document button because it does not work the way you would think. You need to go back to the dashboard. So once you're at the dashboard, you're going to see an assignment very similar to here, EDU 545, Technology and Literacy Rubric. You are going to click on this assignment. Your assignment will look similar to the sections that we were editing. Within here, you are able to attach your LiveText document. When you attach your LiveText document, everything that you saved within your sections will be included when you officially submit it to your professor. So make sure that you are clicking on the LiveText document that is the one that you included every single thing for each section, and then you will just submit. It is easy as that. This makes it a lot easier than trying to submit directly from the dashboard. It also lets you know that you have included every assignment necessary for our LiveText submission. Once you have done all of these steps, you should be all set. If you make the LiveText document, it makes it really easy because it does tell you exactly what to attach. So I hope this helped you understand how to submit your LiveText assignment for EDU 545. I hope you have a great semester. Stay focused. It is rigorous, but it is doable and you will learn so much in this class. Have a great semester.